Hello, welcome to the series of linear integrated circuit. And now we will discuss about unity gain amplifier. It is saying like unity gain. Unity gain means its gain is equal to 1, and gain is always the difference of output divided by input. So how can we design this unity gain amplifier? So that we are going to discuss about. So, in previous lecture, we have seen the output of non-inverting amplifier. Here we can see this is the output. Output is basically 1 plus RF divided by R1 into V input. Here RF was the feedback resistance and R1 was the resistance connected at inverting terminal. So, we will utilize this non-inverting amplifier for making unity gain amplifier. So, what we can say here, here the V output, here the V output is basically this is 1 plus RF divided by R1 into V input. So, the ratio of V output divided by V input can be written as 1 plus RF divided by R1. And for unity gain amplifier, we remember for unity gain amplifier, the gain value is 1. Gain is always 1. That's why it is called as unity gain amplifier. So this term has to be 0. If we want to make this circuit as unity gain amplifier, we can write here the gain is V output divided by V input. So this term should be 0. This has to be 0. So what can we say? That RF must be 0. This feedback resistance has to be 0. This can be a combination, and R1 should be infinite. If these two conditions are there, then only we can say that this term is going to be 0. अगर R1 का value infinite की जगह 0 ले लेंगे, so this term will become something upon 0, that means infinite. So we are considering feedback resistance as 0. 0 means short circuit. What does it mean? 0 means short circuit, means simple wire. And what is the meaning of infinite? Infinite means open circuit, means current 0. Current 0 means open circuit. So we are going to we are going to inbuild these two conditions for making unity gain amplifier. So we have this circuit. We have this circuit minus plus. This is the output. This one is inverting terminal. This is non-inverting terminal. Here the voltage is V1 and this voltage is V2. Op-amp will amplify the difference of these two voltage, that is VID. So in non-inverting amplifier, we have connected a voltage here. This is plus, minus. Let's say this is V input and this inverting terminal is directly grounded. So this resistance is R1. This is grounded. Basically, we are making non-inverting amplifier. This resistance was feedback resistance RF, and we have connected this to output because we are considering the closed loop configuration of op-amp. We are also having two DC supply plus VCC and minus VCC. So what we are going to do, we are going to make this value 0. RF should be 0 and this R1 should be infinite. This R1 has to be infinite. So how can we convert this circuit? We can convert this circuit as this R1 become infinite. This R1 become infinite. This is minus, this one is plus. plus minus V input, and here this RF is 0 means this becomes short circuit. RF is 0, that means it become short circuit, and this is the output. So this can be called as unity gain amplifier. So in simplified form we can make it like minus plus, this is inverting terminal. So here we have connected a AC voltage, an AC voltage of V input, and this is inverting terminal. This one is short circuited, and this is V output. So its gain will be 1. That means V1 is equal to V input. Whatever input we are giving, we are getting the same input as output. So that's why this is called as unity gain amplifier. We can also connect positive DC supply. Here we have negative DC supply. So this is the unity gain amplifier. So thanks for watching this video. In next video, we will see about adder or summer. This is a kind of operational amplifier. How can we utilize operational amplifier for linear application, that we will see in next video. Thank you.